Welcome to Teach Yourself Good English program with Professor Matlub through Modern Language Channel. My dear brothers and sisters and my students, today I'll discuss present indefinite tense be form, WH question form and habitual form. Let's start. Be form, I have already discussed the be form previously, the formation and affirmative, negative, interrogative, etc. etc. Be form. WH question. WH question forms answer form. What, when, where, why, and how. These words are actually used in making questions and frequently used in our everyday life. For example, look, what's your name? Apna naam ki? What's your name? My names. That means my name is XYZ. My name is Ahmed. My name is John. What's your occupation? OCCUPATION. Occupation. What's your occupation means what's your profession? I'm a student. I am a student. I'm a student. I study. What's your father's name? My father's name is Abdullah. My father's name is Johnson, etc. etc. When's your class? अपना class कब? My class is at 9:30. My class is at 9:30. When's your program? আপনার অনুষ্ঠান কখন? আপনার প্রোগ্রাম কখন? It's on Monday. It's at 5. When's your birthday? BIRTH. Birthday. আপনার জন্মদিবস কবে? It's on Monday. It's on Monday. Before day on is used, before time at is used. Why? Where? Then where? What? When's? Where? Where? Where's your office? আপনার অফিস কোথায়? Office. It's at, for example, it's at Ambarkhana, a place in Sylhet town. Where's your father? আপনার বাবা কোথায়? Where's your father? He is in London. তিনি লন্ডনে আছেন. He is in Dhaka. তিনি ঢাকাতে আছেন. Before place, in is used. Before big place, ins, and smaller place, at. Next, why? Why? কেন? Why are you? Why are you late? আপনি দেরি করে আসছেন কেন? Why are you late? Why? If the question is why, answer should be because. Because I didn't get transport in time. যথাসময়ে আমি পরিবহন পাইনি, সেজন্য আমার দেরি হয়েছে। Why are you late? Because I didn't get transport in time. Why? Sorry. How? How's Laila? Laila কেমন আছে? How's Laila? Laila is a girl. How's Laila? Laila কেমন আছে? She is. She is fine. She is okay. She is well. Like this, words, your name, words, your occupation, when's your class, when's your program, when's your birthday, where's your office, where's your father, and why are you late? How is Laila? Answer is like this. What's your name? My name is XYZ. What's your occupation? I'm a student. When's your class? My class is at 9 in the morning, at 9:30. When's your program? It's at 5 in the evening. When's your birthday? It's on Monday. আমার জন্ম দিবস সোমবার। Where's your office? আপনার অফিস কোথায়? It's at আম্বরখানা। Where's your father? আপনার আব্বা কোথায়? He is in London. He is in Dhaka. তিনি লন্ডনে অথবা তিনি ঢাকাতে। Why are you late? আপনি দেরি করে আসছেন কেন? Because I didn't get transport in time. যথাসময়ে আমি পরিবহন পাইনি সেজন্য। How is Laila? Laila কেমন আছে? How is mom? মা কেমন আছেন? She is fine. She is okay. She is well. Now I'll go to present tense, be form, habitual form. Habitual form. Habitual form. This form expresses present habit. Present habit. Sorry. Habits. HABITS. এটা বর্তমান কোনো অভ্যাস থাকে সেটাকে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স, বি ফর্ম, হ্যাবিচুয়াল ফর্ম আমরা বলে থাকি। প্রেজেন্ট হ্যাবিটস। ফর্মেশন, কিভাবে এই অভ্যাসগত ক্রিয়া গঠিত হয়? ফর্মেশন। Subject plus am, is or are plus verb plus plus used, accustomed, accustomed, accustomed to, plus gerund, gerund. Gerund means verb plus ing, verb plus ing, plus exception if any. For example, আমি চা খেতে অভ্যস্ত, আমি দৈনিক 3 কাপ চা খেতে অভ্যস্ত। I am accustomed to, gerund having, having, I'm accustomed to having 3 cups of tea, 3 cups of tea a day. আমি দৈনিক 3 কাপ চা খেতে অভ্যস্ত। সে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে অভ্যস্ত। He is accustomed, accustomed, accustomed to speaking, speaking, speaking English. সে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে অভ্যস্ত। They are তারা গরম আবহাওয়ায় জীবনযাপন করতে অভ্যস্ত। দে আর accustomed to living, jiran bar plus hindi, living in hot weather. She is, সে দৈনিক খুব বুড়ে ঘুম থেকে উঠতে অভ্যস্ত। She is accustomed to or used to, sometimes we can used to. She is accustomed to or used to, you can use used to. She is used to or she is accustomed to getting up early. I am accustomed, accustomed, accustomed to, accustomed to waiting, waiting, waiting in queues, queue. Queue. I am accustomed to waiting in queue. He is accustomed to, accustomed, accustomed to listening, listening, listening to music. সে গান শুনতে অভ্যস্ত। Likewise, this accustomed to and used to frequently used in present indefinite tense, be form, in habitual form. My dear brothers and sisters, this is the end of our today's class. I think you will enjoy the class, and next time we shall see you again. Goodbye.